The 20 cheapest places to go RV camping near the East Coast. For budget-friendly RV camping along the East Coast, here are 20 locations that stand out for their affordability, each offering unique experiences. 1. Gale River Loop Road, New Hampshire, a scenic spot in the White Mountains National Forest, offering over 10 campsites with the potential for beautiful autumn views. 2. Redden State Forest, Delaware, forest camping with 5 shaded sites, suitable for RVs up to 30 feet. A permit is required but not always enforced. 3. Santee Coastal Reserve, South Carolina, features large sites among mature oak trees, with trails for hiking and biking, and less likely to be fully occupied. 4. Medics Grade Road, Pennsylvania, offers privacy with forested campsites spread out, and plenty of wildlife and trails for outdoor activities. 5. Sugar Hill Fire Tower, New York, a free camping spot with bathroom and water facilities, and space for large RVs in a large open field. 6. Barrington County Park, Georgia, provides large spots for all size RVs, bathroom and shower facilities, and a boat launch. 7. Deep Creek Preserve, Florida, requires reservation for free camping, offers sun or shade spots, and is big rig friendly. 8. Hidden Hollow Campground, Ohio, a well-maintained free site within Fernwood State Forest, offering established sites with picnic tables and fire rings. 9. Bears End, Vermont, a forest campsite with a large number of spots, some large enough for 30 feet RVs, and a nearby large parking lot for larger rigs. 10. Hawk Recreation Area, West Virginia, a secluded campsite with developed sites, including about 6 for RVs, with vaulted toilets and water available. 11. Elmwood Recreation Area, South Carolina, offers peaceful, secluded camping in an East Coast national forest with potable water on site. 12. Dupuy Campground, Florida, a free campsite with hot showers and flush toilets, welcoming big rigs, but requiring reservation in advance. 13. Hickok Brook Multi-Use Area, New York, ideal for tents, vans, and small trailers with access to a small lake and forested areas. 14. Browley Pond Dispersed Campground, Virginia, offers a chance to disconnect and enjoy nature with fishing and hiking but no cell phone access. 15. Dix Creek Falls Campsites, Georgia, a primitive, free campsite near waterfalls, accessible by 4x4 vehicles, but not suitable for RVs. 16. Jackson Island Campground, Tennessee, features large, level sites with porta potties, awarded the Campendium Camper's Choice Award. 17. Hickory Hammock Campground, Florida, a secluded and quiet spot with amenities for dry camping requiring advance reservation. 18. Moose River Plains Camping Corridor, New York, offers a vast area with numerous sites, suitable for various camping preferences. 19. North Abutment Campground, Mississippi, provides spacious sites with clean restrooms and a beautiful view, with electric and water hookups at $24 a day. 20. Walnut Creek Lake and Recreation Area, Nebraska, a mixed-use destination with a no-reservation policy, charging $16 nightly with an electric hookup. Each of these locations offers an affordable way to enjoy the natural beauty of the East Coast, from the mountains and forests to the coasts and lakes, catering to a range of camping preferences and activities.